Hey guys, this is Journey from CBD Inside, and today I wanted to talk about cooking with cannabis. Cooking with cannabis is one of the best ways to reap the medicinal benefits while infusing the herb's unique flavor profiles into nearly any dish. With a little preparation, infusing marijuana into a dish is really easy. Cannabinoids are active in the body longer when eaten instead of smoked, and for many people the effects are more potent. Most edible cannabis products found in stores are infusions with either coconut or olive oil. THC in its raw, unheated form is not psychoactive. While it does offer health benefits, it can't get you high. It must be heated at a temperature above 210 degrees Fahrenheit to change the chemical structure of the THC to a psychoactive form by a process known as decarboxylation. While there are many methods of decarboxylating, infusion and cooking oil using a slow heat method has advantages. These infusions not only preserve the taste, but specific oil can actually enhance the absorption of the cannabinoids into your body. So, which oils are the best? While there is a specific scientific answer to the question of what oil to combine with cannabis, an infusion can be had with just about any fat. So above all, choose what will provide the best flavor for your dish. Now for the scientific answer, the higher the smoke point of cooking oil, the more stable it will remain under heat. The more saturated fat, the more absorption of THC in the body. Olive oil is a staple in the preparation of many meals because of its distinct flavor, but it has an exceptionally low smoke point, so it's not recommended for that reason. Butter, ghee, coconut, grapeseed, nut, and avocado oil have high smoke points suitable for cooking. Butter and coconut oil create the highest quality cannabis infusion because of their saturated fat content. So cooking with cannabis oil is pretty easy, and flowers can even be added to any saute, sauce, or skillet, and in doing so, some of the THC will be decarboxylated. Cannabis oil and flower can really add a bouquet of flavor to any dish, and each marijuana strain has its own unique terpene profile. Terpenes are the aromatic compounds in the oil that make some cannabis smell like oranges and others smell like blueberries. If you want to make a decarboxylated oil that can be stored for months and use in multiple recipes, it's recommended that you use a slow cooker, a mason jar, and a strainer. And if you want the absolute healthiest stuff, I would recommend using grass-fed butter, ghee, or coconut oil since they do have high smoke points and saturated fat. But remember, you can infuse cannabis with any oil. You just need to combine your desired amount of cannabis flower or extract with your desired oil. From there, screw on the lid of the mason jar tightly and place it in the slow cooker. Fill the slow cooker halfway with water and turn it on low. Then let it cook for 6 to 24 hours. From there, just pour the oil through your strainer into another storage container. The cannabis-infused oil will keep for several months in a cool, dark space ready to be used in any dish. To recap, cannabis oil can be a great way to consume marijuana recreationally or medicinally. A little does go a long way, so dose slowly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strains and flavors to find your favorite flavor preference. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.